LG Twin Wash is the ultimate laundry system, giving you the power to wash 2 loads of laundry at the same time. Begin by sorting your laundry based on fabric type, soil level, color, and load size. Open the lid and load the items into the washer. Clothes should fit loosely in the tub under the maximum fill line. Loading clothes over the fill line can result in damage to the clothing and the washer. Use the detergent dispenser to measure out the high-efficiency detergent. This machine requires very little detergent. For proper wash performance, always use the detergent dispenser. Press down gently on the lid handle until it latches properly. Press the power button to turn on the washer. The normal cycle will be selected by default. Press the cycle selector button to activate a different cycle, more appropriate for your load type. Once you have selected a wash cycle, you can adjust the water temperature and add on an extra rinse if desired. These options are not available for all cycles. Then press the Start Pause button to begin the wash cycle and slide the drawer closed. The drawer will lock and the washer will start the cycle. If the drawer is not pushed in closed within 5 seconds, the display will indicate a DE1 error code. To clear the error code, just push the drawer in until it is closed properly to begin the cycle. The time and status display will show the cycle status and estimated time remaining. Towards the end of the cycle, a repeated chime will sound before the final rinse. When this occurs, pause the machine and add liquid fabric softener to your load within 3 minutes if desired. When the cycle is finished, a melody will sound. It's best to remove your clothing immediately to reduce any wrinkling. The child lock feature disables the controls on your control panel except for the power on-off button. Use the child lock feature to prevent children from changing cycles and setting options on your washer during operation. To set the child lock, select your wash cycle, press the Start Pause button to begin your cycle and close the drawer. Once closed, hold down the extra rinse button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock. The letter CL will appear on your display. This indicates that the control panel is now locked. You can also use the child lock feature to prevent children from operating the machine while you're away or when the unit is not in use. Set the child lock by powering on the unit and holding down the extra rinse button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock. The power button is the only selectable option when the child lock is activated. You can now turn off the unit. If the washer is turned on at any time while you're away, the child lock option will still be active until it is deactivated. When you're ready to use the machine again, hold down the extra rinse button for 3 seconds to deactivate the child lock option.